Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 54 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, I want to grab this and build along with me. Follow this link to their website all the way along there, folks. There's a clickable version below in the description. Ka-ching. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale die-cast and plastic model. And she is a beauty, just look at her. Oh, how low. Right, let's have a quick scoot through the mag. Here you got the TV show with Deep Freeze, the man with the most bushy eyebrows in the world. Great Batman comics there, the $1 million debut of Batgirl. 1987 is the year by year in the Batman Detective series. More information there, different comics that were around from the era. Rather sinister looking Batman there. He looks quite gnarly, doesn't he? He's like, yeah, you want some. And then we got our parts. We got the battery box cover. We got a speaker. We got the speaker bracket to hold it in place. And this is where it's going on your Batmobile, folks, okay? Be careful to note the direction of this wire. Quite crucial, okay? And then that's what we're going to end up with the battery box, and then how your Batmobile is going to look at the end with your speaker sat in place and the cover on the battery box, okay? So we'll put this to one side and we'll start a bit of assembly. You are going to need your chassis, folks, so make sure you bring that into shop on the bench so that you can sit and put your bits and pieces in the chassis. So let's bring that in situ. I'm just going to spin that round because we're working that side at the moment. Might as well make it easy for myself. And this is the speaker, folks, that we've got. Now don't be tempted to press the dome. Leave it alone because you don't want to damage your speaker. And then I just want to carefully run my fingers along that wire just to take that kink out, and then I can lay it in its home, okay? Somewhere like so. We then get our bracket and we'll fit that in place, okay? Now the reason it's shaped like it is with this cutout is because you've got the little solder joints there, okay? And you don't want to pinch them with a bracket. You want your bracket with the recesses facing that way. And then that will sit on just like that. And check that you've orientated it and just spin the solder away from the bracket if it's close to it, because you don't want to pinch that and damage it. We'll then grab one of our screws and start screwing this retaining bracket in. Not fully homed yet because I want to get the other side in so that we pinch it equally. A little bit of oil on there. Just check that that's in situ, and then we can feed the screws in now and tighten them down. Just steadying it from underneath with my hand so that I'm not crushing the suspension at all. And that's now that done. It's going nowhere. So that's the speaker done. We can now spin her around. Flip her up like so, and we can pop the battery cover on. 2 tabs there and a little retaining spring clip. Hook the tabs into the little squares underneath in the battery box. You can see them just there. 1, 2, and then this tab is going to go in there. So it's just at an angle. Hook your tabs in like so, and then just press. And that's your battery box in. So whenever you need to change them, just flick this lever to the left, put your batteries in, drop them, okay? So that's what we've got this week, folks. I'm going to spin that around that way so you can see. So that is this issue done for today. In the meantime, if you want to grab this, follow this link here to the Fanhome website, all the way along there. Clickable version below in the description. take out a subscription for this wonderful 1/8 scale Batmobile. You won't be disappointed, peeps. Also, to help me out, if you can just click the little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free, folks. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there to be notified of upcoming content, folks. And until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. I really do appreciate it. Stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.